Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to embark on a truly rewarding journey, growing vegetables indoors. It's perfect for those living in apartments or anyone who wants to add a touch of green to their homes. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to create your very own indoor vegetable garden. Now let's get started. The first step on our indoor gardening adventure is choosing what to grow. This decision sets the foundation for your entire indoor garden, so it's important to consider your preferences and the conditions of your space. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are excellent choices. They are relatively easy to grow and can thrive in various indoor environments, making them perfect for beginners. Herbs such as basil and parsley are also perfect for indoor gardens. They not only add flavor to your meals but also bring a delightful aroma to your living space. For the adventurous, compact fruit vegetables like cherry tomatoes can flourish indoors. These plants can be a bit more demanding but are incredibly rewarding when you see those vibrant fruits. Consider your available space and the amount of light your chosen spot receives. Light is crucial for plant growth, so ensure your plants get enough natural or artificial light. Start small, especially as a beginner, with 2 or 3 types of vegetables. This allows you to manage your garden more effectively and learn the basics without feeling overwhelmed. Once confident, you can gradually expand your garden and experiment with other varieties. This way, you can enjoy a diverse range of homegrown produce and continuously improve your gardening skills. Now that we've chosen our vegetables, it's time to create the perfect environment. Find a bright spot in your home, ideally a south-facing window. If natural light is limited, supplement with LED grow lights. Use shelves or plant stands to maximize vertical space. Reflective materials like aluminum foil can enhance light distribution. Choose containers that complement your home decor. Arrange them in a visually appealing way. Our indoor gardens should be both functional and beautiful. Let's delve into the crucial aspect of lighting. Lighting is not just about visibility. It's about creating the right environment for your plants to thrive. Light is the lifeblood of plants, and they need the right amount to flourish. Without adequate light, plants can't photosynthesize effectively, which is essential for their growth and health. If you have south-facing windows, you're all set. These windows provide the most consistent and intense light, perfect for most indoor plants. For those needing assistance, LED grow lights provide the full spectrum of light. They mimic natural sunlight and can be adjusted to suit the specific needs of different plants. Consistency is key. Plants need a regular light schedule. Irregular lighting can stress plants, leading to poor growth and health issues. Most vegetables prefer around 12 to 16 hours of light per day. This ensures they get enough energy to produce healthy leaves, flowers, and fruits. Use a timer to automate your grow lights. This way, you can ensure your plants get the right amount of light without having to remember to turn the lights on and off. Adjust your lighting setup based on plant needs. Different plants have different light requirements, so it's important to monitor and tweak your setup for optimal growth. Let's talk about the foundation of our indoor garden, the containers and soil. Choose containers large enough for your vegetables. Ensure they have drainage holes to prevent root rot. Use high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Leave about an inch of space from the rim for easy watering. Firm the soil around the base of your plants. A stable and comfortable home is essential for our plants to thrive. Now, let's move on to the art of watering. Overwatering is a common mistake, so find the perfect balance. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing excess water to drain. It's better to underwater than to overwater. Humidity is important, especially during drier months. Group plants together or use a humidifier to create a more humid environment. Adjust your watering schedule based on temperature, humidity, and plant size. Observant gardeners are successful gardeners. Now that our plants are settled, let's talk about nutrition. Indoor vegetables benefit from regular fertilization. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer formulated for edible plants. Over-fertilizing can be harmful, so follow instructions carefully. Supplement with organic matter like compost or worm castings. These natural amendments improve soil structure and provide nutrients. Feeding your plants is like nourishing our bodies. Provide the right nutrients in the right amounts. While indoor gardening offers a controlled environment, it's not immune to pests and diseases. Pests can sneak in through open windows or on new plants, and diseases can spread quickly if not managed properly. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests. Look for discolored leaves, holes, or sticky residue, which can indicate an infestation. A simple spray of water can dislodge small pests. This method is gentle on plants and can be done frequently to keep pests at bay. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil for a wide range of insects. These natural remedies are effective and safe for indoor use. For fungal diseases, try a solution of baking soda and water. This mixture can help prevent and treat common fungal issues like powdery mildew. Ensure good air circulation to discourage fungal growth. Use fans or open windows to keep the air moving around your plants. Avoid overwatering, as damp conditions attract pests. Make sure your plants have proper drainage and only water when the soil is dry. A healthy garden is a happy garden. By taking these steps, you can keep your indoor garden thriving and free from pests and diseases. Let's talk about pruning and training, essential for maintaining health and productivity. Pruning encourages bushier, more productive growth. Pinch off the top few inches of leafy greens to promote lateral branching. Use stakes or trellises for vining plants like tomatoes. Remove yellowing or diseased leaves regularly. Pruning keeps plants looking their best and encourages healthy growth. Training plants maximizes space and ensures adequate light exposure. The moment we've all been waiting for: harvesting. The key is knowing when to pick your vegetables at their peak. Harvest leafy greens when leaves are about 4 to 6 inches long. For herbs, snip off the top few inches of growth. Root vegetables can be harvested when tops are about an inch in diameter. Regular harvesting encourages more growth. The more you harvest, the more your plants will produce. Every gardener encounters challenges, but every problem has a solution. Leggy plants indicate insufficient light. Move them closer to a window or use a grow light. Yellowing leaves can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or nutrient deficiencies. Adjust your watering schedule and fertilize regularly. Pests can be managed with organic solutions. Regularly inspect your plants and take prompt action. Gardening is a journey of learning and experimentation. Well, there you have it. Everything you need to start your own indoor vegetable garden. It requires patience, observation, and a little bit of love. The rewards are immeasurable fresh, homegrown produce and the satisfaction of growing your own food. Roll up your sleeves, choose your favorite vegetables, and let's get growing. Happy gardening, everyone!